Hi, it's Charles from 4Winds Studio Interior Painting. 4Winds Studio can match any color that you're interested in. So here's a project that we did in Chester, Nova Scotia for a craft room for a client of ours. She was interested in a particular color and a piece of fabric that she owned. And here's how that works. We mix a small amount of the color and we apply a nice big sample on your wall or on some trim that you're interested in painting. And what that does is it gives you real confidence when you're choosing your color, because it's right in the context of your room with all the other elements that are going to be there. So at that point, once you've chosen a color, what we do is we take it to the paint store and they create a custom formula for you and put it right in the computer for you. And that means you can access that color anytime you want in the future. Mahone Bay, Lunenburg, Bridgewater, Chester, St. Margaret's Bay. We're ready to be your go-to interior painters for your special Nova Scotia rooms and spaces. Contact 4Winds Studio for your free estimate, or simply just talk about your plans or ideas for your rooms and spaces. We're always so glad to hear from you. I'll see you soon.